But right now, I just want to focus on one thing is connectivity. So, we talk about the resilience in the four aspects of mental, physical, and social and spiritual the things. We love the term, the holistic approach. So how all the four aspects gonna be connected together,
Mhm.
the balanced way. Like Jana said, physical is good, but that means I'm okay.
Mm.
I need to check it out, all other areas coming together. And also, I love that the socio-ecological model, which means that me and also interpersonal, and then family and group, community and society and policy and nation, even in our global community, right? So how I'm gonna connect it with well, because out of all these things, it's easy for us right now, very isolated and discouraged and disconnected and feel lonely, right? And then we just want to think about how can I bounce back? How can I bounce back? But I want to say that just it starts from me and thinking about all the aspects of myself, how much I'm well connected and balanced, and also think about just the person next to me, how much I'm very connected, because one safe and constant and caring relationship is a key for our resiliency. And it starts from there. And then I hope that we can see that expand that, how much I'm going to be connected, more personal, caring way rather than sensational way, which is all social media, all kind of things is about. So I hope that out of all this, try to create the meaningfulness of my life. And so the meaningfulness not by achievement, but by connectedness. And so that's kind of a I want to present as a kind of a life of a young people's resiliency.
Mm. I would just want to add that unfortunately, in our own state of Arizona, we are finding one aspect of resilience that's really troubling, and that is the rate of suicide attempt and calls to suicide hotlines. So, unfortunately, in this time, we know that that whole issue of connectivity and building on the social, emotional, spiritual, and physical is really key for young people. If it's happening here, it's likely happening in other states as well.
That this is helpful in that it helps us think from an individual standpoint, but also from a communal standpoint. And it's very holistic. It goes beyond just one facet of resilience. This is really mind, body, heart, soul work. It's physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. It's all connected. And then it's connected to one another. And as you said, Jannah, when we lose that connectivity, we start losing our young people.